Guys, check your dates. Tomorrow? That's tomorrow?
Relax. I've been here for weeks. 3 days left.
Oh no, the door! It's opening!
What? No, I'm not ready to eat. Not me. They're coming back. We have to hide. It's too late. We're all going to be consumed.
I can't look! This is the end!
Dive yourself.
Expiration is just a suggestion.
Oh no, not today.
Wait, don't look at the date. No. It's not fair. It's not so. It's so close. It's so.
Still good.
Expired on last month. Expired last na.